morning students. This is your video class for computers. Today you will learn, this is your computer book. Students, this is IT Planet. This is uploaded on school website. If you don't have this book, you can go through from the website. Today I will explain you your chapter number 1, that is history of computer. Children, what do you mean by history? History means the past of computer. What is the past of your computer, children? Ancient people used to count with stones, pebbles, toes and bones. Fine. See, these are the pictures you can see in your book. Fingers, toes, stones, sticks and pebbles. These were the main mediums they were using to do calculations. But it was difficult to do big and complex calculation with the help of these mediums. So people started thinking of inventing. So people started thinking of inventing a calculating device. A calculating device. And the first calculating device they invented was abacus. This was the first calculating device. It was invented by Chinese and that was invented 5,000 years ago. Fine. Then children, see, this is your abacus. This is the picture of your abacus and it could perform only addition and subtraction. Then to do more calculations, another machine was invented. Its name was Napier's bones and it was invented by Sir John Napier and it was invented in the year 1617. See children, he is John Napier and this is Napier's bones. This is the machine and it was invented by this man and it could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication as well as division. Then we were having next machine. Its name was Pascaline and it was invented by Blaise Pascal in the year 1642. In the year 1642, children, this is Pascaline. It consisted of a box with movable gears and he is Blaise Pascal. He invented this machine. After that, this Leibniz calculator was invented and its another name was step reckoner. It was invented in the year 1692. Its name was step reckoner and it was invented in 1692. Then we were introduced with a machine, analytical engine. This is the machine which was working on the principle of input device, storage unit, processor, control unit and output device. This man invented this machine. His name was Charles Babbage. He is known as the father of computer. Children, he has not invented the computer. He has invented a machine which was working on the principle on which our today's modern computer is working. Then tabulating machine was invented. Tabulating machine was invented by Herman Hollerith and it was used in census. What is census? Census means to count the population of US or USA. Like we are having, then this machine was so successful that Hollerith formed a company and its name was IBM International Business Machine. After that, the first electronic mechanical computer came into the market. Its name was Mark I. It came in the year 1944. Then another two machines came into the market, ENIAC and UNIVAC. It was invented by John Matchley and John Presper Eckert. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, and UNIVAC stands for Universal Automatic Computer. It could handle both numeric and textual information. Then PC was invented. This was the earlier kind of PC, children. You can see the cabinet was like this only, and IBM introduced this in the year 1981. After that, these machines came into the market: desktop computer, laptop computer, tablet PCs, etc. Tablet pieces, etc. Even smartphones also we are using. So now children, I hope you have understood what was the history of computer and how it came into the market and how it has become so important part of your life. Children, please go through the website, please see the worksheets, solve them, write down the notes in your copy. Take care, have a good day.